Girl Bella. Hi babes, welcome back to Brown Girl Bella, where I bring you luxury beauty news and reviews and so much more. This week we're taking a look at those new products that are releasing or have released this week. So first up is Sicily. They have released a new liquid foundation that they are touting as a skin-like feel. It is lightweight and it is matte, and it is supposedly moisturizing as well. So far I've only seen the lighter shades. I have not seen any deeper shades yet from Sicily. So for now I'm on the fence until I can see some deeper shades in my tone or close to my tone that I can compare for my fellow brown girls. But if you are not brown and you're on the lighter shade of the spectrum, I do want to say that these do look lovely. So if you try any, please let your darker shade babes know how it feels, how it works, how it lasts, and all of that good stuff. Hit us down in the comment section below if you are getting this and let me know your thoughts. The other thing that has hit is by Tom Ford Beauty. They have released a makeup line to go along with their Cafe Rose perfume. Hold please. That I happen to have in my collection. So this new and limited edition collection is available now. They have a, looks like either a bronzer or a blush. It's a blush, babes. So it's a cream blush in Cafe Blush and a lip color in a matte shade, which is in shade number 100. So those are the two extensions thus far. I don't know if they're going to have any more extensions of this makeup line, but it is in collaboration with the Cafe Rose, which I absolutely love. It's one of my scents for the fall, and I have been pairing it with some of my other scents for the winter time as well. So let us know if you're going to be playing with that. I think I might play with it, at least one, either the lipstick or the blush. I don't know if I'm going to get both. We'll see. Victoria Beckham has released for her Victoria Beckham Beauty a all new shade of her Posh Gloss in Martini. It is a shimmering champagne pink. It is beautiful. I love the packaging, but I'm not going to purchase this because I do have some lip glosses that mimic this a lot. So I am going to pass. But again, babes, if you're going to get it, hit us down in the comment section below and let us know what the deets are on that product. Also releasing is new shades of YSL's Rouge Pour Couture. Say that again. Rouge Pour Couture. There we go. It is a satin lipstick that has been released in 3 new shades: Nude Rendezvous, Nude Self, and Nude La Vie. Now, I think I got one of these in my YSL. I thought I had one of these in my YSL advent calendar, but I don't think I did because the one I have has a black top and a gold bottom, and the one that I'm looking at here, which I'm putting up on the screen as well, the top is gold. So I do like that Nude Rendezvous one. That looks pretty, and the Nude Self looks beautiful as well. I think the Nude Self is really along the lines of my lips, but a little better. In terms of the shade, I think it would be most appealing on brown skin. This lipstick is supposed to be a lightweight satin with ceramides and flower extracts, and it's supposed to produce a softer, more moisturized feeling lips. So it's on my radar. It's on my radar. It's available now at Sephora, and I'm sure I can get it online at YSL as well. Price is $45. Also in YSL news is a new bold pigment lipstick shade extension. They have Nude Lavere, Daring Nude, and Rosewood Encounter. They are beautiful. Again, very nude colors. They come in this packaging as well. The one that I have here is more red, so I don't think it's any of these colors. And the fact that it's new leads me to believe that I don't have one of the new ones. I have one of the existing shades. But this is a shade extension. I love the Rosewood number 16, and if I get any of them, it would probably be that one. And it is $45 for the lipsticks. Okay, continuing on this lipstick trend, we know we talked about the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Icon lipsticks. I remember posting a picture of it on my community tab. These lipsticks are in red shades as well as pink shades. They do come with corresponding lip pencils as well that you can purchase separately. The shades look very, very beautiful. They have Red Carpet Queen, which is a soft mauve rose, Pizzazz, which is a soft muted modern red, and they also have Mark of a Kiss. They are available now at charlottetilbury.com, and I believe they are available on Sephora as well. And I believe they retail for either $45 or $46. New from Tom Ford, they have a Shade and Illuminate Soft Radiance Primer, which has SPF of 25 and PA+++. It is supposed to deliver your skin with a radiant finish, but also cares for your skin with that SPF. It is a luxe and lightweight formula that is effortless to create a radiant canvas, and the primer is especially formulated to enhance your radiance and keep your skin hydrated for up to 12 hours. The formula is blended with hyaluronic acid and a blend of moringa oil, passion fruit oil, and ginger extract that seamlessly melt into the skin for an ultra hydrated, smooth, and supple feel and a touch of luminosity. So it is available exclusively at Tom Ford Beauty. However, I'm not sure if it is based in the US or it is still in the European stores only. So right now it looks to be European availability, but at the time that I'm uploading this, it could have been brought over to the US. So just wanted to let you know that, and no price as yet, but if you remember the Shade and Illuminate foundation, that did have a hefty price tag, which I believe is still $150. I didn't even purchase it because that price just blew me away. And after purchasing the La Mer foundation and having been hit in the head with that price tag, I vowed that I was not going to buy another foundation with that steep of a price point. Finally, the last two things that I am going to talk about are the Loewe two new fragrances that they just dropped. which are Solo Volcan and Aqua Drop. The Aqua Drop notes are bergamot, Sao Blau Blossom, resin, and leather. The Solo Vulcan notes are orange blossom. You already know I love me an orange blossom. Lavender, thyme, resins, leather, and vetiver. So out of the two, you already know I really love that Solo Vulcan, but I'm going to hold off on getting any new fragrances right now, and especially those that have orange blossom in it, because I have a lot of fragrances that I still need to go through that contain orange blossom in the notes, and I really want to spend time really developing and utilizing those scents before I dive into anything new, especially if it doesn't immediately just capture me in terms of really wanting to purchase them. And I do have two other fragrances that are on my wish list that I do want to purchase. So before I get this one and add that to it, I would get those two that are already on my wish list. Lastly, YSL is releasing a new bronzer. Now this I am excited for. This I don't have a whole lot of details for yet, but the shade extension is extending, honey. I like it. It looks like it is right up my alley. I am hopeful that these shades will be extended, because right now there are only 4 that are in the deep shade range, and the deepest shade is not deep enough for our brown girls. So I'm hoping that the success of this will warrant them to extend the shade range even further, but I'm here for it. I love the packaging. I love the shades. There's 1 or 2 that I think would work for me. So if you're my skin tone or a little bit deeper or lighter than me, we can probably work with what is here thus far. But more on this to come. I'm definitely going to play with this, and I am excited about this launch and this extension. So that will do it for this week, what's happening in beauty news, and I am excited and hopeful that more brands will be launching some really great things for us brown girls in the spring and summer. But if you've gotten this far, don't forget to leave us a like. And also, don't forget, if you're new and you like what I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload, post, or go live. For all you watching, thank you. And you have now been Bellafied. Bye, babes.